Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Charlotte here, and today we have the Hymer T Class S 585. Some of the key features to note is that this vehicle is just over 7 meters in length, so it is one of the more compact vehicles. It's a 5 berth as well, and it's 3.5 ton, so it can be driven on a standard driving license. It is very few and far between getting a low profile with that spec, and as well as this, there is massive reductions to be had in this vehicle, so check out the website for more details on that. But covering some of the spec on the outside here, as you can see, we've got the beautiful two-tone metallic paint from the outside. So you've got your lovely grey metallic paint at the front, followed by the white body. You've got your 17-inch gloss black Mercedes alloys with your LED daytime running headlights at the front. Another thing to note is that you've got twin leisure batteries, and you've got a solar panel on the roof. But as we make our way down to the side, your gas lockers are kept, your gas bottles are just kept here in the locker, and then your garage is at the back. So this is accessible from both sides, and we'll open it up on the other side. There's an external shower point adjacent to that. So towards the back of the vehicle, we have our reverse camera, and then making our way around is the access to the garage from the other side. So this door is bigger on this side. The lift does go the full way down, so that would allow you to put bikes in if you're somebody that cycles. And then you've got your shower point over at this side, so you do have access to hot and cold water, and you've got 2 additional sockets there too. This is our barbecue point. Your electric hookup, obviously, your toilet cassette is here, and your electric welcome step by your habitation door. So this vehicle comes with the Equipment Line Premium Pack, which adds a lot of extra driving features. So some of this includes your leather steering wheel. You've got adaptive cruise control with this one, so you can actually set the distance between yourself and the vehicle in front, which is great to have for long journeys. You've got the 10.25-inch MBX infotainment system there, and that's where your reversing camera is housed, your DAB radio, your Apple CarPlay, your built-in sat nav, and then as well as that, you've got the 9G Tronic automatic drive as well. So this is the living quarters of the 585. Now this is a 5 berth with 5 seatbelts. So you've 2 fixed permanent seatbelts there, and then if you need, you can add an additional seatbelt. This table, it drops down and makes into an extra berth. You do have the extra berth kit to make this up, and then just above my head is an electric drop-down bed. So we do have 2 fixed beds in this vehicle. At the back is our rear single layout. So this is a kitchen area. This particular vehicle does come with the Comfort Living Pack. So what's entailed in that is your additional USB sockets. You've also got additional 230-volt sockets, as you can see. This is your 3-ring gas burner. Beside that is your sink. We don't have an oven in this vehicle, so if you don't use an oven, you've got additional storage instead, which is just located here. But as you can see, you've got nice deep cupboards there. So talking through the control panels of this vehicle, we'll have 2. So one over here is your Truma, and it runs off your gas and electric. This is your Hymer main control panel, which is very user friendly. It's very easy to use. As you can see, those are little indicators for which either your water you want to monitor, or your vehicle battery, or your leisure battery. and then your water pump is just activated there. So very easy to use. So our bedroom setup is at the back here, and you've got the rear single bed layout. Now, what's good about that is, of course, you've got the garage that we did see previously, and then you've got your wardrobe space at each side. It can be made up into a large double bed, just for that infill cushion that is over there. Just beside your bed is our fridge. So it's a three-way fridge. It'll run off your gas, your electric, or your battery. But typically most people set it over to the automatic setting, and then it'll find whichever source is available. So it's fairly self-sufficient in that regard. This is the bathroom. With the vehicle only being just over 7 meters, it all is in the one area, but they have it really it's a really smart concept in the bathroom. So this basically closes over if you want to use your shower, keeps your sink and your toilet out of the way. There's a little additional flap here just down by my hand. You can pull that out, but that gives you all that space for the shower. Just a little demonstration of our drop down bed. I mean, it's very handy. It just operates by a key. Make sure that's unlocked and push the button down. There is a ladder that comes with it as well to climb up, but as you can see, it's actually not too high to get up into the bed. And then, as I was saying previously, before that, your extra berth can be made very easily in the front by just clapping the cable. So folks, that is our Hymer T Class S 585. Check it out on the website. As I was saying at the start of the video, there is massive reductions to be had on this vehicle. So there'll be one very lucky person driving away in this one while it lasts. Give us a call on 028 9269 3999 as well. If you have any further inquiries, you can get us on option 1.